Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Webflow CMS collections for better keyword targeting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the dashboard of your project. Locate the CMS collections option in the left sidebar. Select the collection you want to update for better keyword targeting. Review the existing fields within your collection. Identify which fields contain keywords relevant to your content. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs. Compile a list of high-impact keywords suitable for your audience. Return to your Webflow collection settings. Edit the existing fields to include the new keywords. Consider adding custom fields to enhance your SEO strategy. Utilize the SEO settings available in each CMS item. Optimize the title tags and meta descriptions for better visibility. Incorporate keywords naturally within your content fields. Ensure that the new keywords align with your overall branding. Review all changes to maintain consistency and relevance. Publish your updates to reflect the changes on your live site. Monitor the performance of your updated CMS collections regularly. Use Webflow's analytics tools to track keyword rankings. Adjust and refine your keywords based on the data you collect. Continue iterating to remain competitive in your niche. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.